Quantum Mysticism, Decoding the Universe's Arcane Connections. When you think, you send light out into the atmosphere. Consider this analogy. That light is like the leader of a lightning strike. This leader strike of thought emanates from your mind, acting as a wave of light that connects with universal consciousness, establishing a direct link. Through this, you access information across space-time. This principle is captured by the saying, "As above, so below." What happens at a macro level is reflected at a micro level, evident in fractal branching patterns similar to the human lung. Everywhere in the universe, this concept holds true, from the vastest scale to the minutest detail. The quantum entanglement and mysticism. The intricacies of quantum mechanics never cease to astonish even the most seasoned scientists. Quantum entanglement, a keystone phenomenon of this realm, shatters our traditional understanding of space and time. To illustrate, consider the renowned double-slit experiment. When particles like photons are observed, they appear as discrete points. However, when unobserved, they exhibit the behavior of waves, hinting at the probabilistic nature of quantum phenomena. Einstein, together with physicists Podolsky and Rosen, postulated a thought experiment, now famously known as the EPR paradox. It challenged the completeness of quantum mechanics, as entangled particles appeared to communicate faster than light, violating Einstein's theory of relativity. Yet, numerous experiments, like the one by Alain Aspect in 1982, have provided empirical evidence supporting quantum entanglement, reshaping our grasp of reality. The mystics of old, sans the jargon of quantum mechanics, have always spoken of a universe where everything is interconnected. Ancient Buddhist texts describe Indra's net, a cosmic web adorned with jewels, each one reflecting all others eternally. This serves as a profound allegory for the interconnected nature of reality, remarkably echoing the principles of quantum entanglement. Translating this to the realm of human experience, one might speculate about the nature of thoughts and consciousness. If particles, devoid of consciousness, can be intertwined across vast expanses, could the human mind, with its complex neuronal web and oscillating frequencies, engage in a similar kind of interconnection with the cosmos? Neuroscientists have begun exploring this frontier with research on topics like the global workspace theory or the electromagnetic theories of consciousness, trying to discern how our thoughts might resonate with the larger universe. In essence, the bridge between quantum entanglement and mysticism offers a tantalizing glimpse into a world where science and spirituality might converge, each enriching the other in its quest to decode the enigma of existence. The pineal gland, a bridge between realms. The pineal gland, nestled deep within the human brain, has been a subject of intrigue for both scientists and spiritual seekers for centuries. Its cone-shaped structure, resembling a tiny pine cone, is juxtaposed between the brain's two hemispheres. Biologically, its most well-documented role is the secretion of melatonin, a hormone instrumental in regulating our circadian rhythm, signaling to our bodies when it's time to rest and rejuvenate. However, the anatomical and functional characteristics of the pineal gland transcend this sleep-wake cycle. For example, unlike much of the brain, which is protected from substances in the bloodstream by the blood-brain barrier, the pineal gland is permeable. This unique feature makes it more susceptible to external influences, and it might explain its ability to synthesize trace amounts of the hallucinogenic compound DMT, dimethyltryptamine. DMT is structurally similar to serotonin, a neurotransmitter, and is often dubbed the spirit molecule due to its association with heightened spiritual experiences. Scientifically, DMT has been explored in various contexts. Dr. Rick Strassman's pioneering studies in the 1990s, for instance, investigated DMT's role in inducing near-death experiences and profound mystical insights in participants. Some reported transcending space and time, communicating with otherworldly entities, or gaining profound understandings about their lives. Drawing from this, spiritual traditions have revered the pineal gland as the seat of the soul or the gateway to higher realms of consciousness. Ancient civilizations, from the Egyptians with their Eye of Horus symbol to the Indian concept of the Ajna chakra, have all alluded to a transcendent pineal-related inner vision. In stitching together these myriad perspectives, it appears the pineal gland stands at the crossroads of biology and mysticism, physiology and transcendence. As scientific inquiry advances, it's tantalizing to ponder what further mysteries this diminutive gland might unveil about the nature of our reality. Golden ratio, nature's sacred code. Throughout history, the golden ratio has been both a mathematical curiosity and an aesthetic marvel, a bridge between the worlds of science and art. Its numerical value, derived when a line is divided in such a way that the ratio of the entire line to the longer segment equals the ratio of the longer segment to the shorter segment, holds unique properties and fascinations. In the realm of science, the Fibonacci sequence, a series in which each number is the sum of the two preceding ones, often converges to the golden ratio. This mathematical pattern remarkably reiterates itself in various forms in nature. For instance, the arranging of leaves on a plant often follows this sequence, allowing for the optimal exposure to sunlight and rain. The spiral formed by the seeds in a sunflower, when counted in clock and counterclockwise spirals, also often adheres to two consecutive numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. Art and architecture, too, have bowed to the allure of this ratio. The Parthenon in Athens, artworks of Leonardo da Vinci, and even modern design principles employ the golden ratio to achieve balance and beauty. This seemingly magical ratio often results in proportions that the human eye finds naturally attractive and harmonious. Moreover, in the vastness of space, galaxies exhibit spiral patterns that evoke this ratio. Some astrophysicists suggest that the golden ratio might be intrinsically woven into the very fabric of the universe, possibly playing a role in how structures in the cosmos evolve. This harmonious proportion, straddling between empirical observation and spiritual symbolism, serves as a testament to nature's inherent order. The ubiquity of the golden ratio in both natural phenomena and human-made creations underscores a profound symbiosis, an intricate dance of mathematics, beauty, and the very cosmos itself. Have you ever pondered the hidden significance of numbers that frequently recur in your life? Perhaps they're more than mere coincidence. Dive into a personalized journey that might reveal hidden patterns and meanings specific to you. Get your free numerological reading now and embrace the mysteries that numbers hold. Click the link in the description and embark on this enlightening voyage today. Tesseracts and ancient power. The human experience has primarily been limited to three spatial dimensions: length, width, and height. But mathematics, unbound by such physical limitations, conceived the tesseract, a hypercube existing in the fourth dimension. Visually represented, it appears as a cube within a cube, connected by lines that represent its movement through the fourth dimension. Much like how a cube can be depicted as a square within a square, showing its existence in the third dimension. But the tesseract isn't just a mathematical curiosity. Its concept has transcended mere numbers to symbolize realms beyond human understanding. In various cultures, it's seen as a bridge or portal to realms outside our comprehension, making it a recurring motif in both esoteric studies and modern science fiction. The ancient world, although without the mathematical framework of tesseracts, showcased a similar quest to understand and represent the universe's vastness. Take the Ark of the Covenant, revered in Judaic tradition, believed to be a conduit between the divine and the earthly, representing a bridge to another realm or dimension. Similarly, the inner chambers of the Great Pyramid of Giza are oriented with an astoundingly precise astronomical alignment, suggesting a deep understanding of celestial bodies and perhaps an attempt to reach beyond the earthly realm. These ancient structures, in their design and purpose, seem to parallel the tesseract's symbolism, gateways to something greater and more profound. Moreover, contemporary researchers, delving into quantum physics and string theory, postulate that our universe might indeed comprise more than the three spatial dimensions we perceive. Thus, from the enigmatic geometries of ancient civilizations to modern mathematical models, humanity's journey remains consistent in its goal: Deciphering the cosmos. The Tesseract, as a symbol and concept, embodies this timeless pursuit, challenging us to expand our understanding and venture beyond the known. The holographic principle and the power of crystals. The holographic principle, stemming from quantum mechanics and black hole physics, postulates that the entirety of information within a volume of space can be explained by information on the boundary of that space. Much like a 2D holographic image can represent a 3D object, the universe in its entirety may be a projection from information encoded on a distant 2D surface. Crystals are a stunning manifestation of this principle. Their regular repeating structures are a perfect embodiment of the concept that patterns repeat at every scale. For example, the structure of a snowflake, with its intricate patterns, represents the delicate balance of nature's laws in action. On a molecular level, the patterned lattice of a crystal, such as quartz, demonstrates how nature organizes itself in beautiful, repeating geometries. Science has long been intrigued by crystals, not only for their aesthetic appeal, but also for their incredible properties. Quartz crystals, for instance, have piezoelectric properties. When mechanical stress is applied, they generate an electric charge. This property has been harnessed in devices from watches to ultrasound machines. It's a testament to how these seemingly inanimate objects can interact with their environment in dynamic ways. From a metaphysical lens, many cultures have attributed healing powers to crystals, believing that they can channel, amplify, or balance energies. While science remains skeptical of these claims, the widespread belief in the spiritual power of crystals illustrates the age-old human fascination with finding consciousness and significance in the world around them. In bridging science with age-old beliefs, the holographic principle and the study of crystals offer a profound insight. That patterns, whether in the vast cosmos or the minute structure of crystals, suggest an underlying order to the universe. They beckon us to consider that maybe everything is interconnected, a dance of matter and energy in a cosmic symphony of patterns and potentials. Energy, the Matrix, and the Merkaba. In the realm of science fiction, films like The Matrix paint a picture of a world where human energy is not just metaphysical, but has a tangible, quantifiable essence that can be harnessed and utilized. Neo's journey in the film serves as an allegory for our potential to awaken to our inherent powers, transcending the confines of our perceived reality. The concept echoes the age-old philosophical question, what is real? And how do our perceptions and energies shape our reality? Diving into real-world science, the human body is undeniably a powerhouse of energy. Our cells operate like minuscule batteries, with mitochondria producing adenosine triphosphate, ATP, the primary energy carrier in living organisms. Even at rest, the average person expends enough energy to power a light bulb. But beyond this, emerging studies in bioenergetics are exploring how our collective energy, through emotions and consciousness, can influence the environment around us. This segues into the Merkaba, an ancient symbol representing light, spirit, and body. Envisioned as two interlocking tetrahedrons, the Merkaba is often associated with ascension and spiritual development. In esoteric traditions, it's believed that activating one's Merkaba can unlock dormant potentials within, allowing for profound spiritual journeys and even interdimensional travel. Modern interpretations might see the Merkaba as emblematic of the field of biophotonics. Every cell in our body emits biophotons, or ultra-weak light emissions, suggesting our cells communicate using light. This could be seen as a real-world parallel to the Merkaba's representation of light and energy communication on a cellular level. In synthesizing cinema, ancient symbols, and cutting-edge science, we're reminded of the boundless possibilities inherent within us. Much like Neo's realization of his own potential in The Matrix, a deeper understanding of our intrinsic energies, like that symbolized by the Merkaba, might lead us to reshape both our internal and external universes. Symbols, their depth, and the dance of creation. Symbols, distilled from the vast tapestries of human experience and insight, stand as universal touchstones, encoding profound wisdom and philosophical tenets that often transcend time and culture. They serve as bridges, connecting the visible realm with the intangible, guiding us in decoding the deeper layers of our existence. Consider the Merkaba, a word derived from ancient Egyptian terms: Mer, light; Ka, spirit; and Ba, body. Its geometric representation, two interlocked tetrahedrons, signifies the union of opposing forces and a harmonious balance between Earth and the cosmos. This union is mirrored in various natural phenomena, from the harmonious dance of binary star systems to the balanced exchange of energy within our very cells. Similarly, the Star of David, with its overlapping triangles, has long been associated with the Jewish faith. But beyond religious confines, its symmetrical design can be seen as a representation of the Hermetic axiom, as above, so below. This principle suggests that the macrocosm, the universe, and the microcosm, individual beings, are reflective of each other, a concept resonating with patterns observed in fractal mathematics, where a simple equation can manifest intricate designs that repeat indefinitely as one zooms closer or farther away. Furthermore, modern science provides reinforcing echoes of these ancient symbols. Quantum physics, for instance, introduces concepts like entanglement, suggesting that particles, no matter the distance apart, can remain interconnected. This notion of universal interconnectedness aligns with the symbolic teachings of both the Merkaba and Star of David. In essence, symbols are more than mere shapes or patterns. They are repositories of collective wisdom, inviting us to delve deeper, to question, and to evolve. Engaging profoundly with these symbols, as many mystics and scholars have throughout history, may offer pathways to elevated understanding, allowing us to glimpse the harmonious dance that drives creation. The journey towards spiritual evolution. The chronicles of human history are punctuated with profound moments of discovery, reflection, and transformation. Often at the heart of these paradigm shifts lie symbols, repositories of knowledge and wisdom that encapsulate the aspirations, insights, and spiritual quests of entire civilizations. For instance, the yin and yang of Eastern philosophy represents the harmony of opposites, suggesting that contrary forces may actually be complementary and interdependent. This mirrors scientific observations in various fields, from the dual nature of light as both particle and wave, to ecological studies that emphasize the balance between predator and prey for ecosystem stability. Then there's the Ouroboros, an ancient symbol of a serpent eating its tail. Found in various cultures, from the ancient Egyptians to the Greeks, it exemplifies cycles, renewal, and the eternal nature of the universe. This concept parallels contemporary understanding in cosmology, hinting at potential cycles of cosmic birth, evolution, and rebirth. As the sands of time shift, so does our understanding and interpretation of these symbols. While they remain firmly anchored in the traditions from which they were birthed, their essence evolves, merging with new discoveries and insights. They serve as beacons, guiding us through the tumultuous seas of existence, always urging us to look beyond the horizon, to question, and to seek. In the age of information, where knowledge is at our fingertips, the challenge becomes one of discernment and integration. Embracing the depth and breadth of these esoteric symbols might provide the compass we need. As we stand at the precipice of immense global change, both technological and environmental, a fusion of ancient wisdom with modern understanding could pave the way for a renaissance of spiritual evolution. Such a journey promises not only personal growth, but also the potential to uplift humanity to a realm of heightened consciousness and unity. Thank you for watching. If this video resonated with you or added value, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, keep listening, keep earning, and keep growing. Stay blessed.